mixtures are two different materials that when you mix them together, they distribute evenly among each other. So, for example, sand and water. You can mix those together and they go through each other, right? Cereal and milk. If you pour your cereal and then you pour your milk over top of it and you stir it, does it mix together? Yeah, it mixes together. So in your science notebooks, we're going to do our focus question today. This is what I want you to write, okay? Ready? Put FQ. What happens? Okay, right, what happens when you mix two materials together? Okay? What happens when you mix two materials together? And I put, what kind of punctuation on the end of that?
Question mark.
Why did I put a question mark on the
Because
end?
you're asking a question.
Because I'm asking a question. So when you are doing your lab today, you have to answer that question. You're going to answer it by gathering data and doing observations. And that's what I want you to do. Okay? Does everybody have it? Okay. So I am going to be giving you a paper that lists all of the things that you're going to be mixing. This is going to go into your science notebooks. You can glue it at the end, okay? Okay. I'll give you this sheet, and you're going to take this with you. Everybody's going to have a sheet, or a data recording sheet, or an observation sheet when you're mixing. Everybody's going to come and get a tray. Everybody has a group, and you're going to choose one to be your group leader. You're going to come get your tray. The materials that you're going to be using are as follows. I'm going to borrow your desk, Bella. Okay, everybody's got salt. They have gravel. You have sand, calcium carbonate, which is what? Who knows what calcium carbonate is? It's a fancy name for something.
Baking soda?
Not baking soda. Some kind of, it's chalk.
Wait,
It's chalk. Yeah, it's just chalk. And you have water. Okay? You also have, what's this called? We've gone over this before.
It looks
Okay, look, what is it?
a
A syringe. We're going to use this to measure the water. And then you're going to use a spoon to measure your solid ingredients, okay? And then you have 4 cups. So on your paper, the first thing it says to do is to take 1 spoon of sand and 1 spoon of gravel, and you're going to take a cup and you're going to mix it, and then you're going to write down what happens. What do you notice? Does it change? Does it change color? Does it get darker? Does it get transparent? Does it get murky?
What is transparent?
It means that you can see through it. Yeah, murky is kind of cloudy. Like if you've been swimming in the river and you can't really see through the water. That's murky. Yeah, kind of muddy. So you're going to mix it in one of the cups. Then the next thing you're going to do, mixture 2, you're going to take another cup. You're going to mix 1 spoon of sand and 50 milliliters of water. So you're going to use what tool to get the water?
The syringe.
The syringe. You're going to use the syringe to get your water. You're going to stir it up. There are 4 people in your group, so everybody should do a mixture. It's not just one person, okay? Mixture 3, a spoon of salt, and you're going to have more water. If you run out of something, you don't have enough, which you should, what should you do?
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand and tell me, and I'll come give you some more of what you need. And then the last one is a mixture of calcium carbonate and water. You're going to stir it up. Make sure you stir it up. And then you're going to take notes about what you've observed. When you're working in groups, what is appropriate behavior? What should you do when you're in your group? Appropriate behavior.
Be quiet.
Okay, what should your voice level be? 1. You're working with 3 other people. How should you treat them? Nicely. Should you do it all by yourself?
No.
No, you need to take turns. There are 4 activities that you have to mix, and there are 4 of you. Any questions before we get started?
Nope.
No?